So I got this box in a few days ago and I've literally been waiting for days to open this. Why did I decide to do the camera like this? Anyway, it's my first order from Vistaprint, so I'm really excited. Let's open the box. And one of the best things about starting up a business and actually being an art director is that you actually get to design all the cool pieces along with designing the actual merchandise that I'm going to be selling. I have thoroughly enjoyed designing all the accoutrement, all the extra stuff that goes with it, like the thank you cards, and I even designed a receipt. Okay, so anyway, I digress. This is one of my cards. So I got 1 stack of cards, 2 stack of 3, 4. Oh, how much stuff did I order? Jeez. Open up one of these. How do people on like the internet like open this stuff with like one hand and hold a camera? You wanna explain that to me? Anyway, so I did like 3 different thank you cards with 3 different designs. So let's see what they look like. What is this one? Let me get what's going on here. Okay, I tend to get excited for the smallest thing, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Again, why did I do the camera this way? What was I thinking? Anyway, so this is one of the cards that has me on it, see? And I'm wearing one of the shirts that I'm gonna be launching.